everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, hi, welcome. My name is Amy and today we are testing a viral TikTok makeup hack. So I have seen this so many times on TikTok and I have thought, oh, I'll try that one day, oh, I'll try that one day, and I never have. So I was just playing around with some colours today and I obviously did this eyeshadow and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to film my base and do the viral TikTok hack. So if you haven't already heard of it, it's basically where you just change the order of the makeup that you do. So normally I would like moisturise, prime, foundation, concealer, powder, setting spray, but this is moisturise, powder. It's all just in the wrong order. So I've got the TikTok. Okay, so I've got the TikTok up, so I'm just going to listen to it. And then I'm going to put everything in order and then we'll give it a go.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first.
Moisturize.
And after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually
Powder.
use the Fit Me one. And I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your...
So what I'm confused of is, do I powder after or not? Or do I just literally, I just do it like that? Obviously I'll add concealer as well. Okay. Right, anyway, let's give this a go. So we're going to start with moisturiser and I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Revitalift Moisturizer. I absolutely love this. I love this moisturiser so much. I'm really nervous about this. Right, and now powder. So I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Colour powder. We are lightly dabbing. I feel like this isn't going to have worked because I've got concealer on from my eyeshadow, but just kind of sticking to all my dry bits at the moment. Okay, what is next?
Much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After this much.
Okay, so then we're moving on to setting spray. I've got the Jane Ardell Hydration Mist. I love, 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 love this. So gonna go ahead and apply that now. Okay, so powder done. Oh, goes everywhere. So powder done. Setting spray done. Now to go in with my primer. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my YSL All Hours primer. Wish me luck for this. My skin does feel really soft. I will say that. Oh, don't you hate that feeling of product on your hands? Actually can't stand it. Okay, so now I'm going in with my foundation and I'm going to mix Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush in the shade 7 and HD foundation in the shade Buff, and I'm going to apply those to make my skin scared. So I'm just going to dot it around how I normally would. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like it's worked. Like, I don't feel like it looks any different to how it usually does. If anything, it's just a bit harder to blend in. I can't tell if I think this looks better or not. I guess it does look quite flawless. Oh, my eyes watered. So that mucked up my wing liner. I love that. I'm not even left the house and it's watered. So annoying. So I'm going to continue the makeup. So that's basically the hack. I'm going to keep it on all day and let you know what I think, because it does say that it should last 24 hours. So we'll see if it lasts 24 hours. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be back to give you a close-up, and then I'll check in again later on today and show you what it is looking like. Okay, so I have just finished all the rest of my makeup. And I'm gonna go ahead and just like crack on with my day. I've got some bits and bobs to do, gonna walk the dog. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this on for as long as possible. Obviously it's not gonna be 24 hours because it's 2:30 now, but I'm gonna leave it on till later on this evening and let you know how it all lasts. I don't feel like it looks that different, if I'm all honest, to what my makeup usually goes on like and sits like, but we'll see how it lasts. And whatever. This eyebrow's gone way too dark and I'm a little bit annoyed, but it is what it is. And this eye, look at it, oh, it's watered so much and it's coming up in blue. It's, ugh. Anyway, we're just gonna go with it. But yeah, so I'll check in a little bit later on and let you know how it all lasts. Looks a little bit dark. Oh, I need to bend down. Oh, I can't. Oh, I'm so old for this. Let me change the setting. Okay, so that's a little bit better. Excuse me, I feel like I look like an 80s workout girl right now. Like, woo, come on girls. Woo, woo. Okay, that is bright. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to end the video and I can't do it. Isolation, I'm going insane, honestly. Anyway, I have left the makeup on. It is now 20 to 10. So I've had it on since 2:30. So you can work that out. 8 hours. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 hours. I knew that. And this is what it's looking like. Okay, I won't go that close. Might have come off a bit on my face because, oh, also my eye watered. But yeah, this is what the makeup is looking like. It does still look really, really nice. I don't know if I would say if it has lasted any more than my normal makeup would, but it does look really nice on the skin, and in pictures it looks especially nice, I will say that. So yeah, that was me testing out this viral TikTok hack that is going around the internet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there is any other like viral TikToks that you want me to test out for you and try, let me know in the comments. And if there is any other videos that you just would like to see from me, then also leave that down in the comments as well, because obviously I have so much time on my hands now and I'm literally filming like every single day. So if there's something you want to see, ask and I will probably produce. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very shortly for another video. So, oh, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But yeah, I'll see you all very soon. Bye!